Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Then people start hiring like crazy in 2021. 2022 sees a boom, plus 54.2%. Right? It's like, oh, okay, like, let's go, let's get a job, let's get a job.
They're going. Jesus Christ, boy, watch that car.
Bro, look at it, bro. Why is it like that? Look at it.
Because it's a clapped out minivan.
Oh, no.
Justin!
Whoa, damn.
I have my own pastor. And you ain't been my pastor. Like, my pastor in Washington had been my pastor since I was like 18. So it's like, you know, people don't challenge their parents often in the black community.
Oh, shit.
And my pastor was like a pastor and a parent.
Yeah.
When I came here, I'm 29. I'm like, all right, now I got my own.
Wow, when I opened my eyes, everything was dark. I couldn't see much. It was like the start of a film at the cinema before the picture has begun, when the blank frames are just flashing up without any sound.
Shit, bro. Oh my gosh.
But on the phone we have Jessica, who lives in Oklahoma City. Hey Jessica, you're gonna pick Jessica.
Oh, it's the karma. Let's go.
Who would you like to pick to play for you? Eddie or Amy?
Get him.
Extreme fire risk remains in Southern California.
I urge, and everybody here urges you to remain alert as danger has not yet passed. Please follow all evacuation warnings and orders without evacuation warnings and orders without delay, and prioritize your
Hey. 8 sold out show. Yes, I attended the Eras Tour yesterday via live stream.
Okay.
Taylor Swift had, like I said, 8 sold out shows. She did 3, which I believe her.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.